Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to grant admin, superadmin, and report admin access to a user in your organization. Understanding these rules is essential to ensure users have the right level of access and permissions. Let's jump right in. Alright, so before logging into our admin portal, I want to walk you through some quick definitions for the roles in question. We're starting with Superadmin. Essentially, God mode account. This role has full access, including billing services. They can add, modify, or delete billing items for users and accounts. Now, as an admin, you gain access to most services. However, you cannot manage billing items. They also have limited access to reports. And then finally, we have report admin, which is pretty self-explanatory, which gives you access to report-related services under report manager, excluding billing-related services. All right. So I hope that makes sense for you. We'll now move on to our admin portal. All right, so we're finally in the admin portal, and there's actually two ways that you can go about this. The very first one is through the user view. You want to click on View Manager and then Users. This is what we're looking for, user view. So I'm going to go and modify my own test account. So again, clicking on plus sign to expand its attributes. We have a roles section right here. Click. As you can see, my account is set as a normal user. But I can modify that by clicking on this icon right here. And I'm going to assign it the admin role. You can see right here, you can assign this role to a user, group, or everyone should you need to. Okay. Just going to go with my own demo user for this video. Select add right here. The same way you can select it and remove it from the pool. All right. Then go to actions and hit save. Click yes on this confirmation prompt. And there we go. My account has been successfully modified. If I go back to this role section, you can see that now I'm listed as an admin. Now the second way is through the roles view. It's right here, View Manager and then roles. We have these four roles: Superadmin, admin, report admin, and supervisor. Right, so let's say I want to make my own mock account of report admin. Same thing, we'll click on plus signs. No users listed so far. I'm going to click on this pencil looking icon once again. Select my own user account. And then click add. Oh, go with the user as well. Same thing. You have these list of users right here. Just click on add. There we go. Same thing. We'll go into actions and then click save. And there we go. Now the report admin pool was successfully modified with my own test account. So if I go back into the user view, you can see that I have both roles assigned under my account, admin and report admin. All right. And that's pretty much it. Just be sure to manage roles carefully and ensure the right level of access for your team members. Remember, superadmins have full privileges while admins have more limited access. Thanks for watching.